Okay, here we are on page 7, and I'm going to do the other two problems that aren't done on the other video. Number 5. Sketch the graphs of y equals 3x minus 4 and y equals x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x. Find all points of intersection of the graph. This one's pretty straightforward. All you need to do is go to y equals and put both functions in the calculator. 3x minus 4, x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x. Okay, we're going to graph them just to see what it looks like. It does say sketch the graph, doesn't it? Okay, so one of them is a line. It happens to be this one where there's no power on the x. And the other one looks kind of like a parabola, except there's only one side. Let's try to do a zoom fit and see exactly what this looks like. That's not so good. Okay, I'm going to adjust the window size. First I'm going to say, I'm going to just do this much of it, so like negative 5 to 5. And then the y, I'm going to do like negative 10 to 10. Maybe 20. 10 wasn't enough last time, I think. Okay. There's my line. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so let's graph that much. We're going to say, okay, we graphed from negative 20 to 20 in the y direction. We graphed from negative 5 to 5 in the x direction. And how much of it did we get? Looks like we kind of got this. And we kind of got, let's see, we'll draw the other one in the blue color or something. This one is going to go through here, and about there too. Right? Okay. Alright, and then it says to find all points of intersection. Looks like there's just one, right about there. Let's try to find that. Second table. Second calc. Intersect. First curve, second curve, and then our guess. It doesn't really matter where the guess is because there's only one intersection. Then it tells us the intersection is at 1.90, comma. Okay, we'll put here 1.90, comma 1.71. Okay, so there's only one intersection point for these two curves. All right, let's go to number 6. Now it says to sketch these two graphs. One of them is an exponential function, 2 to the x. The other one is a cubic function, just like last time. X cubed plus 2x Okay, let's just clear this. Start over. X cubed plus x squared minus 6x. Okay. We're going to find the coordinates of intersection. Let's see what the graph looks like. That's the exponential function. There's the cubic function. Looks like it intersects maybe 3 times. 1, 2, 3 points. Okay? If we're going to graph this, let's say we're going to graph from, again, we graph from negative 5 to 5 in the x direction, and in the y direction we graph from negative 20 to 20. And the graph kind of looks like this. And then the other one goes like that. Okay? Alright, that's a very rough sketch. Okay, on the test, what you want to do is you want to go to second table, and you want to get a few points to plot and make it exact. Okay? Find the coordinates of all points of intersection. We're going to find these three coordinates of intersection. Second calc, intersect, which is number 5. First curve, yes. Second curve, yes. And now we're going to guess first this point here. And it gives us, the first one is negative 2.99, comma, 0.126. So that's the leftmost one. Let's do this again. This time, oops, we're going to go to the middle one. First curve, yes. Second curve, yes. Guess. And now we're going to go to the middle one. Enter. And it says the intersection is negative 0.147, comma, 0.903. Okay, next one. Second calc. We're going to find the rightmost point now. First curve, yes. Second curve, yes. Go to the rightmost point. Hit enter. 2.41, comma, 5.31. Okay? So those are the 3 points of intersection. This one, and this one. And that's it.